Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable TV stands that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a versatile stand for your home or office, or something rugged for outdoor use, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the BONTEC mobile TV stand with tilt function. This stand is a solid option for those who prioritize flexibility and space-saving design. With universal compatibility, it supports TVs ranging from 23 to 60 inches and has a maximum weight capacity of 88 pounds. Its tilt function allows for up to 10 degrees of screen adjustment, helping reduce glare and improve your viewing comfort. The build quality here is decent, featuring durable metal construction and lockable 360-degree wheels for mobility. However, while the rear feet design is compact and low profile, it sacrifices some stability compared to stands with larger bases. The adjustable media shelf is functional for holding accessories like laptops or gaming consoles, and the integrated cable management adds a neat, professional touch. Performance-wise, the tilt function and mobility are great for casual use in homes or offices, but the 10-degree tilt range may be limiting for some scenarios. Ideal for smaller spaces or light use, this stand shines in environments like bedrooms or small offices. Overall, while it's not the most heavy-duty option on the list, it delivers good value for its features. Pros include its tilt function and compact design, while cons include limited tilt range and slightly compromised stability. Coming in at number 4 is the BONTEC mobile TV cart. This sturdy stand is designed for those who want reliability combined with versatility. Supporting TVs from 23 to 60 inches and up to 88 pounds, it's compatible with a wide range of VESA patterns up to 400 by 400 millimeters. Its height-adjustable mount and media shelf allow for customizable viewing experiences and convenient storage. The construction is robust, featuring high-quality steel that ensures durability. The wheels are lockable, making it easy to move the stand around without worrying about stability. What sets this model apart is its integrated cable management system, which keeps wires neatly organized, making it perfect for professional setups in offices, schools, or trade shows. In terms of performance, the BONTEC mobile TV cart excels in mobility and ease of use. Whether you're moving it from room to room or setting it up for presentations, it's a reliable choice. However, the lack of tilt functionality might be a downside for those who need more viewing angle adjustments. Pros include its strong build and clean design, while cons include its fixed viewing angle and slightly heavier weight compared to similar models. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the PERLESMITH Rolling TV Stand, PSTVMC04. This stand is a highly versatile option, supporting TVs from 23 to 60 inches and weighing up to 55 pounds. It's ideal for both home and commercial use, with features like height adjustment for the TV mount and a sturdy media shelf for accessories, like laptops or gaming consoles. The design is sleek yet practical, with a rectangular base and 4 wheels, 2 of which can be locked for stability. The cable management system is cleverly integrated into the metal column, keeping your setup tidy and organized. While the stand is lightweight, its alloy steel build ensures durability without being overly cumbersome. Performance-wise, this stand shines in mobility and adjustability. It's perfect for environments where TVs need to be moved frequently, such as trade shows, offices, or even outdoor setups on sunny days. However, the 55-pound weight limit might not be sufficient for larger or heavier TVs. Pros include its portability and stylish design, while cons include the lower weight capacity compared to other models. At number 2, we have the PERLESMITH Mobile TV Stand PSTV MC06. This stand is an upgrade in terms of functionality and build quality. Supporting TVs from 23 to 60 inches and up to 88 pounds, it offers a tilt function that allows you to adjust the screen by 15 degrees upward, improving viewing angles and reducing glare. Constructed with cold-rolled steel pipes, this stand is extremely durable and secure. The wheels are made from high-quality PU materials, ensuring smooth movement without loud noises. The laptop shelf is spacious and adjustable, making it a great choice for workspaces or gaming setups. Additionally, it's designed for easy installation without the need for drilling. The PSTV MC06 excels in both performance and versatility. Its tilt function is a standout feature, and the strong build makes it suitable for heavier TVs. It's ideal for both home and professional use, from living rooms to conference rooms. Pros include its tilt functionality and robust construction, while cons include a heavier weight that might make it slightly less portable. Taking the crown at number 1 is the Tover Furniture Tripod TV Stand. This stand is a powerhouse of functionality, supporting TVs ranging from 23 to an impressive 75 inches and weighing up to 100 pounds. It features a tripod design that ensures maximum stability, even for outdoor use. The safety rope and non-slip feet enhance its security, making it a standout option for families. The build quality is exceptional, with durable materials and a sleek black electrostatic finish that's both stylish and insulating. The adjustable height ranges from 51 to 75 inches, allowing for customizable viewing angles. The plus-minus 15-degree tilt function further adds to the comfort, making it ideal for outdoor parties, home theaters, or even exhibitions. Performance-wise, this stand is versatile and easy to set up, thanks to its foldable design. It's perfect for those who want portability combined with heavy-duty functionality. The higher weight capacity and larger VESA compatibility make it the most versatile option on our list. Pros include its robust design, excellent portability, and high weight capacity, while cons are minimal, with the only downside being its slightly bulkier storage size when folded. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.